guys, so today we're going to the beach. Yay, I'm so excited. We're going with our grandma and we're so excited. And we're in Hilton, so it's pretty hot here actually. Ooh, Jesus is love, space, family. And then the Friday comes. Hey vloggers, so today's the second day of going to the beach. We might go to the pool after lunch, so yeah.
You want to show your matching outfits with your sister?
Yeah. I have this one. Say hi, Josie. Hi.
You matching your sister? Y'all got matching swimsuits?
Yeah. It's yellow.
Yellow.
Like the sun. And we
Like
have
the
the
sun.
same hair pieces.
Yep, and your hats are similar. Look at y'all.
Oh,
Looking like some Southern belles.
And I have good smelling yellow shoes. I have
What do they smell like?
lemon. Like sweet lemon. I have different sunglasses.
Different sunglasses?
It smells like sweet lemon.
All right, let's go to the beach.
Bye!
What is up, y'all? I apologize. We are on day 3 of our vacation trip to Hilton Head, and honestly, just been living in the moment. I originally thought that I was going to be vlogging a lot while here, and I just haven't felt like taking out the camera and vlogging, so I apologize. But I have taken out the camera to the beach and stuff with us a few times to get some shots of us setting up on the beach and just enjoying it. Today, Tanya wanted to do breakfast on the beach, and so she got everything prepared, made some scrambled eggs, and had fruit and whatnot washed, and some waffles that we had yesterday for breakfast, and just brought it all along with us so that we could enjoy a nice breakfast on the beach. Honestly, since we've been here, the weather has been wonderful. I mean, 83 degrees up here near the ocean, where there's not the humidity like we have in Atlanta, is amazing because it doesn't feel hot. You can sit outside in the sun and you're not sweating, you're not feeling hot. 83 degrees in Atlanta, the second you walk out the door, you're drenching in sweat because of all of the humidity. So just really been enjoying that part of it. But yeah, the ocean itself has been a little off the chain. We've gotten in it every day since we've been here, but we probably spend less time than we would if it were calmer, just because with both of the girls it's a lot trying to keep them afloat even with their floaties on. But that is something we need to do, is get in swimming lessons so that we can make sure that both of them know how to swim well. But yeah, the ocean is just doing the absolute most, and it's a whole lot of work trying to stand up in there. So we enjoy our afternoon pool sessions because you ain't gotta fight for your life in the pool. So that has been really enjoyable. My mom came along with us on this trip, so we've just been enjoying her company and having a wonderful time here. So like I said, today's day 3, so it's Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday and our last full day here, and then Friday we'll do our routine trip to the beach in the morning, and then by lunchtime head out and head back home. to Atlanta. And then the exciting thing is that we get back, Friday evening probably. I'll need to do some setup at church on Saturday and get the baptistry ready because we'll have some baptisms this Sunday. And then next Friday, we go to pick up our chickens. So I'm really excited about going to pick our chickens up. They're going to be 9 weeks old. So we'll probably have about 10 weeks before they start laying eggs. But just looking forward to starting that part of this journey. So yeah. But right now I need to go to the store to get some sushi and a couple of other things that we just want for dinner and snacking. So let's go and head to the store and handle that now. I gotta go to Kroger. I think it's like a 10 or 15 minute drive. So about to do that now.
So sad. Only hands. I'm so sad. So sad. Only hands sad. Started back to my heart. Only hands, I'm so sad. So sad. Only hands sad. Started back to my heart. Only hands, I'm so sad.
So it is now Friday and we are headed out. But before we leave, we wanted to stop by the playground and allow the girls a second to play. So we came to this fun little playground that's right next to the beach. We typically do the beach on our way out before we leave and just leave straight from the beach. But this time I decided I'm beached out. We've been here, this is day 5. So I just wanted to have a chill morning where we didn't have to worry about being wet and sand afterwards and just head straight home after playing at the playground. So we're just gonna chill here for 30-45 minutes and then head home. What is up? This is horrible lighting, this backlighting, but whatever. This is an exciting morning because today is chicken day, y'all. It is finally here. All the work that has been put in to building this coop, to getting everything ready for the chickens, and we are going to pick them up today. Now, everybody talks about chicken math and how nobody can do right because you say you need 2 chickens and then you're like, oh, but actually we need 4 and then we can get a couple more. So we already did chicken math and ended up at 8. But then Tanya was like, oh, but in the next batch, that's a month from now, they're gonna have these that lay these color eggs. So to kind of get the whole array of rainbow eggs, or at least to attempt to get as many different color eggs as possible, I think we might be ordering 2 more this Sunday to pick up a month from today. So we might end up with 10, but today we're getting 8 for sure. So I'm gonna take you along for the ride. The girls are at my parents. We sent them over there after they had VBS on Thursday to spend the night. So that way we can wake up Friday morning and go first thing in the morning to go get the chickens and get the day started. So we're excited and anticipating what this is to bring. So let's find out what it is to be chicken parents, chicken owners, all that good stuff. Not us out here trying to become mini homesteaders. We picked them up. We officially have our 8, and we're definitely, like I told y'all earlier, getting 2 more in a month. So we'll purchase those on Sunday. But we are headed back now to pick the girls up, and of course she's calling, so I can't see my directions. But yeah, going to pick up the girls now. Oh, she said don't put me too. Well, you gotta step up. Tori, step up. There you go. Don't open it, Tori.
Hi everyone. So I don't know if you guys know this, but me and Jules just came back from our grandma's house from a sleepover, and we got our chickens, our 8 chickens, and it's so much fun. And we can't wait to have them in our chicken coop that we painted, if you didn't see that. So.